is the fastest and most advanced electric motorcycle on the market today. We're going to chat about electric motorcycles, electric vehicles, and see whether what they're up to is really a game changer.
Electric motorcycles and electric bikes in general, not unlike electric cars, have had a history of starts and stops. Commercial electric cars have been around since 1909, and it's a phenomenal vehicle 114 years ago.
The Baker Electric Runabout, the last.
For the motorcycles, the compromises have just been simply too great. Range, speed, weight.
You gonna chisel me?
A lot of those
Is this wiener out?
No.
Okay, good.
So it's possible
Yeah.
to design and create a product that actually is something people are willing to buy.
He's like, that's not the way I want it.
That would have been so funny if his wiener was that. He just came all over you.
I've got an electric car. Think that would have been cool?
Yeah, no, it's hard to get come off of those things.
What is that?
Oh,
We won't have any of that.
Consumers have to embrace
Is that
the
jizz?
good and the bad. So there's a lot of really strong things, but there's also some downsides.
Give me a shit on my girlfriend. That's fine.
that was bestiality, dude.
To bring this bike out when the time was right, when the products we could